What do you think? Do you think we could put together a nice French country Valentine's Day display using this as a beginning? I think we can. Let's try it. Okay, we are now ready to start on our boxes, which is the first part of our display, or one of the parts. I don't know if it's first. So now we begin that. Here we have the next piece in our display for Valentine's Day, and you might be able to guess what it is. I got a needle and thread, got this material turned backwards, and I'm doing something. Let's see. Okay, so here we are. We have our two boxes covered in our French country print, and we have our heart finished. And I'm going to show you how I got there, because the material was this color, but I didn't want that color, so I attempted to bleach it, but these are some pretty strong fabric colors because I let it soak for maybe up to 45 minutes in not pure bleach, but a bleach water mix. I thought I had it strong enough, but it really didn't change the color at all. It was still this blue. And thinking maybe one day I might want a blue heart, I left one side blue, and the other side I dry brushed with a few layers of white until I got it where I wanted it. And then I stenciled our French country stencil on there, our writing, and our little Eiffel Tower, see the Eiffel Tower, until I got it to match more of the boxes like I wanted. So now we have three things in our display, but we have yet to make some more. So off to make more. And here we have our finished French country Valentine's Day display. I added this cherub, which I painted white, this ceramic cherub, and the little candle holder back there. We've got our little angel, and a little ceramic dish. And this is how it turned out after, maybe a couple of hours worth of work. Didn't really take that long. I think it looks nice. Let's see how we put it together. I think that has turned out very nice. With our little pillow. Took no time at all. thing that probably took the longest, oh, it might have been the pillow. The boxes didn't take too long to cover with our French country paper. But it turned out very well for Valentine's Day, and we don't have to have the glaring red. Glaring red hearts. I didn't feel like that this year. I wanted to tone it down a little bit, give it a little class. So, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please share it. Please hit like. If you haven't yet, please subscribe for more. That's very important. Don't forget. And thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Valentine's Day.